Hello for YouTube creator. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to change Google AdSense associated with uh, YouTube program. Okay, first you can open dashboard like this. You must log in first and then hit enter. You can change the channel associate account with Google AdSense. You can go to monetization here. Okay, associated AdSense account. Click this and change. I want to change new account and I want to sign in here. Okay, I want to sign in. I want to accept association. Okay, that's all. And let's redirect again. Okay, you can view change here. That's my AdSense ID is change here. Okay, that's tutorial how to change AdSense association with YouTube program. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.